everyone. Good night. I'm sorry because I'm so late for making this video because I have a little problem, so that's why my face is like this. I just was uh, crying before it, but I feel okay now. Okay, just forget it. So this is my 7 day the night vlog. I'm still feel so very nervous in my camera, so that's why. Um, what about we talk about music? Um, for the music now, prefer for this time. I prefer play Indonesian music and at the same time I feel I fall in love to Brazil song. So that's why this time more to play Brazil song. Oh, I like it's powerful. The song from Brazil is like powerful. My gosh, it's so beautiful this song. But I'm prefer like to um English song. Wow, that's right. But you know, when you have so high taste of music or song, this is you can see yourself. It's your value. You can see your value in your taste music. It's like when you really like, for example, you like classic music. I think you are the one person is have a character is like um have personal personality like mature because just little Gen Z like something old is not all. As a Gen Z, we really have high taste for music. Yeah, I think it's so for real. And why my music feel like so really interest for classic or old music? It's like being wow. The vibes different than modern music have meaning so deeply when you like what's that um Old music, yeah, it's the deep meaning when you know the meaning of this song, the that your favorite song. I feel like this too, because like this because wow, it's no more have experience, different experience when you hear the old music and modern music. So that's why just choose your soulmate. If you don't like old music or classic music, sure, that's up to you guys. I'm sorry, because my eyes is not well because I was crying. But I try to make this just normal condition. Yeah, just talk more. Okay, again. What I feel as being like more music. Yes, feel like when you hear music, you so making your body is like well, that's me, that's me. Yeah, you will want to say that. Since I was younger, I remember before as student younger, I think when I 6 year old or 5 or 7 year old, yeah, I forget it. My teacher say you wanna going sing for me. And I just make this. And I really enjoy to sing in front of my friends. Wow, since I was kid, I have skill for as a singer. Yeah, I feel like more to say thank you for God because I have this and make me better as myself today since I little until now. I feel like wow, I wanna say thank you, big thank you for God. No, um, but when you have skill, you have minus too, because the world is balanced, and you kind kind to person, okay, and the world will be kind for you, and you bad for the world, the world being bad for your life. So that's why it's really balanced, right? Like just don't please be kind, yeah, please being be kind person, not as a bad person. Don't do anything bad word or bad word or bad something, it's that just be kind, don't do that because you don't know how so deep people have um hurt heart, yeah, heart, being hurt, by being hurt too hard. So don't do this, especially for your family or friend. If the point is for anyone, yes, don't do this. At least when you as a bad person, but you don't disturb other people, yeah. Just being only not disturb everyone, whoever. Just live of your life. Just focus for your life. Don't see people life. Don't see anyone. Just see yourself first before you wanna have comment for other people. This is the most biggest for your being kind. What is hard to being to being kind? What is hard for you or for me? So why not you being kind? It's like, are you when you don't want when you uh, don't feel bad, just one, just day for day one, and you are you have more money, or why is hard for you to be kind? It's like just being kind is so easy, right? It's not make your money out, and it's to make yourself as anything. It's like you are presented when you make everything's like good. Is that your problem? Is that not your problem? This is the most motivation. This is the most things for human. It's like that's normal. You being kind. Why you so have self-esteem so high because of your because you wanna do to be kind, and you feel like you have self-esteem so high, right? If you don't want to be kind, just don't disturb. Don't. Yeah, it's not hard, I think. Well, I think feel better because before I'm crying now, but I talk with you guys. I feel like better. I feel like I tell you story. Wow, thank you so much for this for this assignment. Um, especially for my lecture, make this challenge. But I'm not trying because this assignment, guys, because I have one problem. So that's why it's not from for this or from this video and stuff. I'm just enjoy to make this, yeah, every day. I'm not forcing um everyone to. I think like I'm forcing myself because I'm lazy. It's not because I'm not want to do that. Ah, it's so different, right? Yes.